We have MSI GP66 Leopard laptop that's having a problem with the fan. The fan making this grinding weird noise. Let's open the laptop. Disconnect the battery. And let's check out the fan. This fan spins normally, but not this one here. This is the fan that is bad. And we need to replace this fan right here. The fan is made by AA-Fit Thermalloy PA-BD08008SH and 454. This is the fan that is bad. I mark it with X's. And let's replace it with a new fan. The new fan, the one on the right, is made by the same company and have the same model and same serial number as the original one. All the fans connectors are connected. Both fans looks good. Let's reconnect the battery. Alright, let's test the fan. We're gonna press function and F8. The fan sounds normal now. You don't hear any grinding or weird noise from the fan. And there you go. The laptop is fixed and ready for the customer to pick up.